guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is what's new this week, and so let's jump in. Alright, so you know the Nordstrom's anniversary sale is still going on, so I still have a lot of stuff that's out there. I have stuff that's supposed to come in Monday, Tuesday. So I think what I'm going to do, this could change, so bear with me, but I think what I'm going to do is on Wednesday I am going to do the Madison Reed ESALON, which one worked best for me and why. I used both of them twice. This is why it's taken so long, because I wanted to really give each of them a fair share. Did my hair today, new gray, it was looking bad, y'all. And so I went and used the one that I chose, but you have to wait till Wednesday to see. So that's gonna be on Wednesday, and then on Friday we will do another Nordstrom's anniversary haul, whatever has come in throughout the rest of the week. Now let's talk about what's new this week that's come in that's not necessarily in any particular category. Let's start with the things that I got in from Amazon. I got in a new sports bra. I will show it here. I love a front zipper sports bra, so I've been trying to find one. I told you, I think in the workout fashion video, I found one from Amazon that I like a lot. I will show that one here as well. And so I wanted to find another one that had more of a zipper front. The other one had more of like a bra feel to it, where you would hook it in the back. So I love both of them, they're great. And then I picked up another pair of Iuga workout leggings. I think they're the best. They have the side pockets, they're beautiful, and I love this color. So those came in. Fearless tape. This was from a wonderful subscriber. We were talking about how, you know, I have to always watch my prosthesis. And so I decided to try two-sided tape, if you will. And this one is Fearless tape, body and clothing tape. So I'll show you a little video here. And so I decided to try it on this top that I picked up from Nordstrom's, and we'll talk about this. So you can see that these flap open, but see, it won't go any farther than that because I actually put tape here. So I don't mind that it flops open a little. I just don't want it showing my entire prosthesis. I'll keep trying it out and see how it holds, and try it with different clothing and see. But there's a whole, I don't even know how many are in here. It doesn't even say. 50, that's a lot. So I'll try it out and touch base with you. I don't know, after a while, you know, it depends how often I actually have to try this. Now, I do get a Glossybox in every month, and when I find something great in it, I like to bring it to your attention. So y'all know that I have been sporting the Pretty Party Pony tails. I'm obsessed with them. Absolutely obsessed with them. I think it's ingenious. I mean, it's just such a great way to get a beautiful ponytail. Super simple. You don't need to deal with rubber bands, clips, nothing. It's just there. It wraps around your own pony, or in my case, I did a bun today. And I love it. I have two in. If you have thick hair, that's the only thing I will say. If you have thick hair, you want to order two. And they have I have a coupon code. It's in the description box. And then they have a special where if you buy one, you get one half off, and you can still use my coupon code. Isn't that awesome? But if you have thin hair, then one is perfectly fine. And I use medium auburn. So, but what I did notice is, you know, I love a wet brush. Love, because I have thick hair. And when I had other extensions, a wet brush was great. But what I noticed was I felt like it was too rough on the Pretty Pony. So what just happened to come in the Glossybox this month was this thing called Tangle Teaser. And this is what it looks like. Here it is. It's like a little brush, right? Oh my gosh, perfect. Like, it's not too rough. And look how it just goes right through. I would imagine it's supposed to get tangles out. But what I love is that it's not too rough on the extension, and on my own hair it works beautifully as well. Let's talk jewelry. I had 3 pieces come in from Kendra Scott. They had that huge Kendra Scott sale, and I believe these are still on sale as well. But okay, these are the Gwyneth. Now these are, I love these. I have wanted these for quite some time. I mean, nice and lightweight. You know, they're not too heavy, they're not going to be cumbersome, and they just are gorgeous. They're definitely a statement. Gwyneth is definitely a statement. And what's funny is I'm wearing it with a Henley, which is hilarious, but I didn't care. I wanted to show them to you, and honestly, they could go with anything. You could dress them up or down. You know how I am. I'm all about, I would wear this Henley, throw on a blazer if it wasn't 109 degrees, a pair of jeans, a pair of stilettos, and these earrings, and you're just gorge. But they just have this beautiful opalescent to them, and then this silver crisscrossing them, so they're absolutely stunning. And the next pair of earrings are, I have to look at the name of these ones because they have a long, Dun Rose Sable Mica. These are the Dun Rose Sable Mica. They came in. And I have, these are with the rose gold. And unfortunately, these ones sold out. I knew they would. Because one, they were a great deal, and two, they are just the most beautiful fall earring. I mean, they're just stunning. They do still have some sable mica, which is the stone. And so I will list a few of the pieces that they do have in the earring. It's just not this exact earring, but it is this stone. And it's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then I did get a necklace in as well. This one is the Eliza. It is a triple layer, and then it has this really pretty stone on that. I absolutely love that. So see this little clasp right here? This is a magnetic clasp. It's flat. So let me undo it. I mean, it's strong. You are not going to lose your necklace. So you see, it's just, you hook it to each end, and then boop, because I can't. And even when I don't have nails, I don't have patience. I want my necklaces on and off. And so I buy those, and they come in, you can get all gold or all silver, but I get the mix pack where it has gold, silver, and it even has gunmetal. So it's kind of awesome. One thing I want to talk about with regards to skincare is this little puppy right here. I showed this to you in a What's New This Week, but I had not tried it. Well, I had tried it, but I didn't really try it. You know, I needed to really see how it would work on its own. I wanted to see how it would work with no foundation, with foundation. I wanted to see how it would work with the Skin Perfecting Daily Veil, which is the sunscreen and pore vanishing and anti-aging all in one. You know, this is my, like, bam. So I want to show you. So this is a moisturizer that also has a pore filler in it. The two big ingredients to give you that moisture is hyaluronic acid. Yay, we all know hyaluronic acid, and avocado oil. This, first of all, their packaging, when I saw this, I was like, let me see if it'll pick it up. It's so beautiful. It's really hard to see, but it's sort of this purple, glittery, beautiful thing. And I'm thinking, this has got to be $100, right? And then when I opened it up, I mean, look at how rich and thick and creamy this is. It's gorgeous. I mean, I'm thinking this is gonna be crazy. I was thinking this is gonna be crazy expensive. It's not. Now, that's all great, but does it work, right? Packaging, beautiful, but it has to work. It works. It's a beautiful moisturizer, and it absolutely does diminish the pores when you put it on. So I am gonna show you before and after here. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm all about making things as perfect as possible. Today, once again, I am wearing no foundation. Now, recently I did a video where I showed you how I could get away with not wearing foundation using very few products. I did not have this when I filmed that. Had I, this would have been added to it because it would have elevated even more. So had I had this, this definitely would have been in my video. But once again, I am not wearing any foundation today at all. My light's on. I just realized I don't even have that box light on. And this is what it looks like. So I want to show you here, a little video. So I'm going to show you where I just put this. You see before and after. Then what I did was put this and this before and after that I wore today. Don't get me wrong, I have some bronzer on and some blush. But for the face, these three right here. On its own, beautiful. These two together, you won't see a pore. This has such great reviews. Look it up. Look it up. So I just wanted to let you know about that. Now let's talk about what I picked up at Nordstrom's today I picked up a few things. So I have to give a shout out to Heba. I will put her YouTube channel down below and check her out because I watched her and I saw that's the beauty of watching other influencers. But she had these Henleys and I was like, oh, let me try that. So wow, 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 this is amazing. This is super, super soft. This is not like your typical thermal Henley that you wear to keep your, no, This is so soft. This is by Socialite, so very, very cute. I picked up a pair of sunglasses. These are by Key. You know I love Key sunglasses. I didn't even put these on my face yet. I literally picked them up out of the store, pulled them out of the bag, and came in here. So we're gonna try them. These are a cat eye. They're tortoise shape, but they are a wide cat eye. See that? So let's give it a try. They might look horrible on me. I don't know. Okay, so what do you guys think? Ooh, I don't know. Oh, there, I can see myself there. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about these because, you know, these might not be my cup of tea. I don't know. What do you guys think? Be honest. Be honest. I'm cool. Because normally the ones that I wear are, well, I wear aviators, you know, there's like 3 pair of aviators sitting there. I don't have my Michael Kors, you know, my round Michael Kors that I wear all the time. I don't know. I don't think cat eye is my shape. I wish they had them in a round. I'm gonna have to look further because it was a good price point. I had something in my cart for 5 days. I am not a person, if you've been watching my channel long enough, you know I love a sale, but you don't see me buying Veronica Beard blazers. I don't see the point. I don't see the point in spending $300-400 on a blazer when you can get a blazer for $50, $60, $75, under $100. I'm not that girl. I buy my handbags when they're on sale. Yes, I do have some Coach handbags and some Michael Kors handbags, but I buy them when they're on sale. So this was a splurge. It's not a handbag. And Tory Burch. Y'all have seen these? Have you seen them? They're beautiful. I mean, they're different, they're unique, they're beautiful. By the way, as I would expect, I'll put the price here, sale price and then the regular price. They come with a bag, dust bag, just like a purse does. They'll probably never be in this thing. So here they are. This is what they look like. I know you're like, oh, it's a simple booty. I know, right? I love the color. They had it in a black leather. This is a taupe or brown, light brown suede. And then it has the Tory Burch emblem in leather. It is a side zip. So I'm showing this to you in a couple ways. One with a pair of jeans and a nice chunky sweater and a cami that's on sale, that's still available. And that cardigan, y'all. I don't know. Has anyone picked up that oatmeal cardigan? I think it's so great. So I'm going to show it that way. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show it to you with this dress so that you can get an idea of how versatile a booty like this looks like. Look, this is a splurge. Here's the thing. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. I don't know, aside from trying them on, how they're going to feel. And let me make sure you know that I am going to test them out. Even in this heat, if I have to wear them with cute little maxi dresses, I'm gonna do it to make sure that it's worth the price. Are they comfortable? Are they wearable? Because obviously if I'm spending that kind of money, I want to make sure, right? And I want to let you guys know if you're thinking about spending that much money. All right, so that's what's come in this week, guys. I will see you on Wednesday. I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, I want to say thank you so very much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and if you like videos like this, give it a little thumbs up. All right, guys, I hope you have a great week, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.